This is a Granberg freehand 12 volt grinder. It's actually called the grinding joint. It's the fastest way I've ever seen that you can get chains sharpened quickly, especially when you're out in the field. It plugs into a 12 volt power source. Most of the time this would just be the battery on a car or a truck, and you just use the crocodile clips to go straight on the car battery. I'm using this little 12 volt pack here because I'm filming and in the workshop. Now if you find with this, as you can put different size grinding stones here. This is the smallest, which is the 5/32 of an inch grinding stone. You can change those over very easy with the little spanners provided. You can also adjust the height of this top plate guide just by and then that will then move the guide up and down. And that means that you can control the side angle, so you can put more hook in it by raising it up, less hook by putting it down. And similar to a file holder, you have the markings there which give you a guide as to what angle you need to sharpen the chain to. Now you can, as usual, do the other side of the chain by reclamping the bar, or another method is you can use this grinder from just one side. Now personally, I actually like to take the guide off mine altogether, and I just find I've got better control over it like that. And so when you sharpen it, it's like using a round file without a file holder. You're just using the stone niche. Now when you look at using this grinder freehand, it's very fast. However, what you gain for in speed, you do lose a bit in accuracy. To try and get all these successive teeth the same length is then harder. And what I tend to do is, if I'm out working, particularly if you hit a bit of grit or a bit of stone, is use the freehand grinder to get the chain cutting again. And then when I'm back in the workshop, I'll use the precision grinder or one of the file guides to then get all the teeth the same length.